If you're wondering how you can update your Oppo phone, so in this video I will show you the exact process. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on System and Update. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, it will say Update Now or Restart Now at the bottom of the screen. Now if the button says Install, Update Now or Restart Now, just tap on it to update your Oppo phone. Now it will take a few minutes for your Oppo phone to update its software. As you can see, the update process has been completed. Now if you go back to the settings, from here just tap on System and Update, then tap on Software Update. As you can see, the software of our Oppo phone is up to date. And this is how you can update any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.